Good morning, students. We continue our topic synthesis, complex sentences. Students, we already studied simple, compound and complex sentences. Complex sentence, it consists of one main clause and other subordinate clause. And these two clauses joined with subordinating conjunction. So complex sentence, it has two clauses. One is main clause, another that is subordinate clause. Main clause, it is also known as principal clause or the independent clause. Whereas subordinate clause, it is known as dependent clause, as it depends on main clause to complete the meaning. And both these clauses, main clause and subordinate clause, both join with subordinating conjunction. Then the sentence becomes complex sentence. One main clause, one subordinate clause, both the clauses join with subordinating conjunction, then the sentence becomes complex sentence. Students, when we have also studied types of clauses, noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. And in adverb clause also we studied subtypes: adverb clause of time, adverb clause of reason, adverb clause of result, adverb clause of purpose, adverb clause of time, adverb clause of place. Now we can identify types of clauses based on the function of subordinate clause. I repeat, we identify types of clauses based on the function of subordinate clause. If subordinate clause does the function of noun, then it is noun clause. If subordinate clause does the function of adjective, then it is an adjective clause. And when subordinate clause does the function of an adverb, then it is an adverb clause. That also we already studied. We have identified types of clauses, whether they are noun clause, adjective clause or adverb clause. Even we have also identified types of adverb clauses. Why I have revised it? Because in our exercise, in our workbook, in our practice course book, on page number 185, we are given the exercise. In that, we have to identify the clause and state its type. And that is why I have revised this complex sentence and this explanation of noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Whenever we have to identify types of clauses, we have to see the function of which clause? Subordinate clause. And based on the function of subordinate clause, we can state whether it is noun, adjective or adverb clause. Now students, we also learn how to combine two sentences into one complex sentence. We have to combine two sentences into one complex sentence. When we combine two or more sentences into one without using conjunction, then it is simple sentence. When we combine two or more sentences with coordinating or correlative conjunction, then it is compound sentence. And when we combine two or more sentences by using subordinating conjunction, the sentence would be complex sentence. See the example. Can you tell me one sentence? Another sentence, who wrote Macbeth? Here two sentences are there and we have to combine these two sentences into one sentence to make it complex sentence. So we can combine, can you tell me who wrote Macbeth? Can you tell me who wrote Macbeth? Here, can you tell me one clause? Who wrote Macbeth? Another clause. And these two clauses join with this relative pronoun or subordinating conjunction who. So this question or this sentence, it is a complex sentence. And this is our subordinate clause who wrote Macbeth, and this is the object. That is why it is a noun clause. See students, we have combined two sentences into one, and we have stated that it is a complex sentence. We have underlined the subordinate clause and we have stated that it is a noun clause. So we have also stated types of clause. Another sentence. I could do the exercise. One sentence, it was not complex. Second sentence. Now we have to combine these two sentences into one to make complex sentence. So I could do the exercise. I could do the exercise because it was not complex. See students, we have combined two sentences into one complex sentence. I could do the exercise, main clause, because it was not complex, subordinate clause. And both the clauses joined with the subordinating conjunction because. So this sentence, it is a complex sentence. If we have to identify the clause and state its type. So this, because it was not complex, that is our subordinate clause, and its type, that is adverb clause. That is adverb clause. I hope you have understood how to combine two sentences into one complex sentence. Thank you, students.